Hello everyone, this is Dr. Ananya. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be talking about what is ADA test. Before beginning the video, I would like you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't, so that I can share all the useful and valuable information with you. So first of all, let us know what is ADA test or what is ADA. ADA stands for adenosine deaminase. Now what is this? ADA is a protein that is found in your body in various cells. This protein is related to lymphocyte activation and is clinically tested to determine pleural tuberculosis. Now, what is pleura? Pleura is the covering of the chest membrane. Every time when there is infection or attack of Mycobacterium tuberculosis, the level of ADA is increased, and this can be found in pleural fluid. So, this test is ordered along with other tests to rule out and find the diagnosis. Why do doctors order ADA test? Doctors order ADA test when they see signs or symptoms such as cough and cold, excessive cough along with the blood, excessive cough along with chest pain, fever, and chills. If your pleural fluid shows traces of ADA, it means you have chances of tuberculosis infection. Now, how is this test done? For this test, you need to sit down and relax on a chair. A sample of pleural fluid will be taken from your chest. The fluid will be collected while puncturing the chest area using a needle. But don't worry, this is painless because you will be given anesthesia. After the application of anesthesia, the needle will be injected along with the tube, which will collect the pleural fluid. Once the test is done, the needle is taken out and the site is cleaned and a gauze is applied. You might feel some pain after the test, for which doctor will give you some medicines. But remember, if you are suffering from any breathing problems, please inform your doctor. Most of the time, this test is used to confirm the diagnosis of tuberculosis. Sometimes it may also be done to diagnose some autoimmune diseases or psoriasis. Remember, this test is done along with the other tests. So what will happen after the test? After the test, you might take some time to get normal. It may take half an hour to 1 hour. For this waiting time, you will be monitored by the doctor at the hospital. Once you are okay, you can go back home and you can do your daily activities. A quick reminder, it is very important for you to get tested from a reputed and reliable lab. A link to a reputed and reliable lab will be provided to you in the description box. That's all for today's video. If you have any suggestions or any questions, please feel free to comment down below. Till then, stay safe and stay healthy.